decided I needed a new kitchen because the one we had was very out of date. Definitely needed a refreshed look. We needed to think about the space as well. We wanted to create more of a living space. We searched for a kitchen designer. We went to a lot of different companies. To be honest, they just came up with more of the same of what we already had. They didn't come up with any new ideas. So we weren't really impressed. So we thought we'd do some more research to try and find somebody who would come up with new ideas and a more modern feel. Lots of people recommended Jo to us, so we went along. We walked into the studio and we clicked immediately. We sat around a table with a cup of tea with Jo, and she just listened to what we wanted. She understood what we wanted, and she just threw ideas at us. She came up with lots of different things that we would never have thought of before. She had fantastic ideas, and she just gave the confidence to go with something more modern and to create something that we've never had confidence done before. I really enjoyed the creative process, actually. Working with Jo was fantastic on the creative process. I loved the time that we spent together, going through samples, books, colour schemes, ideas for the flooring, ideas for the seating area. I just loved the whole thing. She was very, very good. The final result is fantastic. I love it. It's a great kitchen. Everybody comes in and says, wow, what a fantastic kitchen. It looks so much bigger than it was before, and it does. We spend so much more time out here now. We sit around the table with friends, have a glass of wine, and we spend time in here which we never have done before. There was no stress involved at all, and I would highly recommend Your Space Living.